Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can add or update or amend opening balances on ClearBooks. In my case, I have two assets which haven't been added to my opening balances. So once I started to use ClearBooks, I had two assets purchased previously for $850 and $975. To add an opening balances for these two assets, I need to go to Money section, and there is subsection called opening balances. Either you need to add as under cash, debtors, creditors, or click on other balances. So in my case, these fixed asset opening balances will fall under other balances. And I can see that there is opening balances of 0 for furniture and fittings and plant equipment. So I need to type in details, so 850 for furniture and 975 for my equipment. You need to make sure that if you add something in debit side, you also need to add it in credit. And total of these two amounts were actually investment in equity or share capital in my case. So I would need to add 2,500 my two fixed asset values. So this will total up to 3,325. Make sure that on credit side you add a minus sign and click update. So now I have added two opening balances for my assets, and also my share capital have been updated on both sides, balance off. In this episode, I showed you how you can add, update, or amend opening balances on ClearBooks. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my ClearBooks tutorial as well as review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.